How to make $1,000 per day on TikTok with no face, no product, no BS, step by step, no dancing, no fame, no face, just strategy. Let me break it down step by step. TikTok is no longer just for fun. It's a money printer. Even if you're broke, anonymous, or camera shy, you can turn simple videos into real income. Today, I'll give you the 7-step blueprint to go from 0 to 1,000 a day. They go too broad. You need to go deep, where money flows. Here's how. 1. Go on TikTok and search. Finance tips, AI tools, Amazon finds. Make money online. 2. Look for creators with 10K plus followers getting over 100K views. 2. Highlight views and bio links. Example. Let's say your niche is AI tools for creators. You can promote tools like Jasper AI, Notion templates, or Gumroad planners. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. 1. Affiliate dashboard, AI tools, faceless user using templates. Step 2. Create content, fast using AI. Give me 10 viral TikTok scripts for insert niche with hook, pain, and CTA. 2. Use 11 labs for voiceover. 3. Use stock clips from Pexels or in video for visuals. 1. ChatGPT prompt screen. 2. 11 labs voice generation. 3. Stock footage editing. This AI tool saved me 6 hours every week, and it's free. Insert B-roll demo, CTA, link in bio. That's it. Visual prompt. 1. Canva carousel creation plus TikTok upload animation. 2. Soft music, AI theme. Scene 7 text, narration. Step 3. Use affiliate links or digital products. 2 ways to monetize. 1. Add affiliate links to your TikTok bio. Use Gumroad to sell it. $7 product, 150 sales, it's 1,050s in a single day. Visual prompt. 1. Gumroad store screen. 2. Example. Budget planner. Notion template. 3. Text. Overlay math breakdown. Step 4. Post daily. Viral volume wins. TikTok rewards frequency, not perfection. Use this format. 1. Hook. You're wasting money doing this. 2. Value. Here's how I fixed it. Post 1x a day for 30 days. 1 video can change your life. 4. TikTok app UI. 5. Example, creator calendar. 6. Vibe. Fast, intense, motivational. Step 5. TikTok, SEO plus trending. Audio. Use keywords in your caption. 1. Make money online. 2. AI tools 2025. Pair it with trending audios and smart hashtags like #MoneyMindset, #WealthCode. This puts your video in front of buyers, not just viewers. 4. Caption editor plus sound selector. 5. Hashtags popping in sync. Step 6. Comment daily to build community. Spend 10 minutes a day. 1. Commenting on viral creators in your niche. 2. Answering questions. This pulls traffic to your profile and boosts trust. Visual prompt. 4. TikTok comments plus replies popping. 5. Growth animation of profile visitors. Step 7. Scale with templates plus automation. Once one video works, repeat the format. Use tools like Metricool to automate posting. Keep rotating hooks, voiceovers, products. The algorithm will eventually pick you up. This is how one video turns into $1,000 a day. 1. Calendar planner plus AI auto posting. 2. Graph rising from 0, 1,000. Most people scroll. You build. Most people consume. You earn. There's no course you need. No secret. Just consistent execution. Start today. CTA. 1. Free TikTok template in description. Subscribe for the next 1K day video, and don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button, and share this with someone who want to make $1,000 by doing nothing. Till then, practice this, and I will drop another video of this part 2 to help even more with full breakdown. I will post in 2 days the part 2.